Welcome to English Vault. Today, we're going to explore 20 essential idioms that will take your English skills to the next level. Burn the midnight oil, meaning to stay up late working on something. Example, he burned the midnight oil to finish his project. Spill the beans, meaning to reveal a secret. Example, Ross accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Hit the sack, meaning to go to bed. Example, I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the sack. A penny for your thoughts, meaning asking someone what they are thinking. Example, you've been quiet today. A penny for your thoughts. Bite the dust, meaning to fail or be defeated. Example, the old computer finally bit the dust. Blow off steam, meaning to release stress or anger. Example, she went for a run to blow off some steam. The ball is in your court, meaning it's your turn to take action or make a decision. Example, she has given you all the information. Now the ball is in your court. Break the bank, meaning to spend all of one's money. Example, buying a new car will break the bank. Put your foot down, meaning to assert something strongly. Example, he put her foot down and refused to let her kids stay up late. On the same page, meaning to be in agreement or have a shared understanding. Example, let's make sure we're all on the same page before we continue. Back to the drawing board, meaning to start over after a failed attempt. Example, the plan didn't work, so it's back to the drawing board. Keep your chin up, meaning to stay positive in a difficult situation. Example, keep your chin up, things will get better soon. Go down in flames, meaning to fail spectacularly. Example, the business went down in flames after the scandal. In the same boat, meaning to be in the same difficult situation as someone else. Example, we're all in the same boat after losing our jobs. Leave no stone unturned, meaning to try every possible way to achieve something. Example, they left no stone unturned in their search for the missing ring. Cry over spilled milk, meaning to be upset about something that cannot be undone. Example, it's no use crying over spilled milk. We can't change what happened. Pull someone's leg, meaning to joke or tease someone. Example, I told my friend I'd brought pizza, but I was only pulling his leg. I never even ordered it. Keep your eyes peeled, meaning to stay alert and watch carefully. Example, keep your eyes peeled for a good parking spot. By the skin of your teeth, meaning just barely managing to do something. Example, he passed the exam by the skin of his teeth. Throw in the towel, meaning to give up or admit defeat. Example, after trying for hours, he finally threw in the towel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.